Another update coming from NVC National Visa Sender regarding cases, document, and email they are working on this week. If it's something you want to know, just stay tuned and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Monde, and welcome back. And thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome. Here I help newcomers, permanent resident, and US citizen regarding their immigration issues. Sometimes I give newcomers advice, about what to do, what not to do here in the United States of America, so they can have a better life. Like I said in the introduction, today's video will be about cases, document, and email NVC National Visa Center is working on this week. Or some of you guys who petitioned for your relative, maybe your case is approved by USCIS not long ago. You're probably gonna wait till NVC receive your case. Most of the time USCIS will tell you that it will take 30-45 days in order for NVC National Visa Center to contact you. Sometimes it takes more than that. Okay, and also it depends on the visa category. Okay, some visa processes are longer, like F4 category, the process is very long. So for that one, unfortunately, you have to wait a little bit longer than people who are immediate relative, meaning maybe spouse and children of American citizen, and also spouse and children of green card holder. I know their process is a little bit longer than immediate relative, but still their case get to NVC National Visa Center a little bit quicker. Okay, so yesterday, which is November 2nd, NVC announced on their website that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on October 23rd. So they start working on those cases, and then they're gonna contact those applicants to start the immigrant visa process. Okay, before they do that, they have to create a visa case for the applicant, and then send on the invoice ID and also case number to the applicant to start the process. Okay, now when the applicant start the process, that applicant will pay fees and all those stuff. Some of you guys already know this, and this is just for people who are new here, who don't know how the process works. So you pay the fees, you send the document, then NVC has to review those documents and let you know whether they accept the document or they reject the document. Okay, so yesterday also, which is November 2nd, NVC announced on their website that they are reviewing document they received on August 16, which is still 2.5 months ago. So they're gonna review those documents and let you know if you are documentally qualified. That way your case will move to the U.S. consulate. But unfortunately, they are reviewing documents people who are not affected by the immigration suspension first, and then people who are affected by the immigration suspension. Just you have to wait a little bit. Sometimes it will take 6 weeks, 2 months, maybe more before NVC National Visa Center review your document. Okay, so now since most of U.S. consulate didn't resume their visa services yet, you just have to wait. Even if you documentary qualify, there is no way NVC National Visa Center gonna schedule an interview appointment for you. They have to wait until the U.S. consulate resume visa services, until the U.S. consulate has a available spot in order for NVC to schedule an appointment for you. So once they schedule an appointment for you, they're gonna send you an appointment, actually an interview letter, okay, and tell you exactly which date and where to go for the interview. Okay, then some of you guys send email to NVC. You ask them different questions, and they announce on their website also that they are responding to email they received on October 26th. So make sure you check your email box so you don't miss any email coming from NVC. Some of you guys who don't know exactly where to send email to NVC, you can just Google NVC inquiry form. You can use that form to send them email. Okay, so today I decided to go over the U.S. consulate update from 4 different countries. If it's something you're interested in, let's go in front of my computer. Okay, for some of you guys who are new, to check a consulate update of your U.S. consulate update of your country, you have to come to this website, which is on usembassy.gov, and then from here you select your country, or you can choose your country by just clicking on the on the letter that start the name of your country. Okay, so today I'm gonna check Afghanistan. So it's been a while since I checked this country. So you click on this one, and then over here you see US Embassy in Kabul. You click on this, that will take you to their website, and then from there you click on visas. Okay, so here we see that they say straight right here, you can see that the visa session at the US Embassy in Kabul is currently closed to the public due to COVID-19. We are unable to provide immigrant and non-immigrant visa service that requires an in-person appearance or interview. So they didn't resume visa services yet. Okay, so you have to keep checking the website for new updates. So let's move to another country. The second country today will be a country that starts with I. So I will do Indonesia, because somebody asked me about Indonesia. So Indonesia has different locations. They have one in Jakarta, they have one in Surabaya, they have one in Medan, and then one in Bali. Okay, so let's click on the first one, because usually when they resume visa service in one location, chances are they will resume in another location as well. So when you click on that one, that will take you to this page, and from here you click on visas. So when you click on visas, you see they have all the information. So they say the US Embassy is pleased to confirm that begin October 12, which is like 2 weeks ago roughly, or 2 to 3 weeks ago roughly. This applicant who wish to renew a B1, B2, C1, D or J visa that expired less than 24 months ago may qualify to renew their visa without an interview through the procedure explained on the embassy website. Okay, maybe that's this is the link as well. You can click on it and see exactly what they say, but just have to follow the procedure. So basically, people who have this visa and the visa expired like 24 months ago, so they can renew, they may be qualified to renew those visas. So if you're in that category, you have to contact the US consulate. Okay, so as far as the rest of the visa services, they didn't resume it yet, but they say you have to keep checking the website for new update. And also, some of you guys who pay fees for maybe non-immigrant visa fees, they will extend that fee till December 31st of 2021. Okay, so as you can see here, we will extend the validity of your payment until December 31st, 2021, which is going to be next year. That's a good thing. That way you guys can use the same visa to apply for another visa. Okay, so that's what's going on here. Let's move to another. Let's check another country. Okay, over here. Let's do Haiti again. I checked Haiti the other day. I have a lot of Haitian that watching my videos too. So let's check on US Embassy in Port-au-Prince and see what's going on. On this page, you click on visas. Okay, here they're still saying that due to COVID-19, the US Embassy in Port-au-Prince is unable to offer non-emergency immigrant and non-immigrant visa at this time. We are unable to provide specific date when we will be able to resume routine visa services. If you have any question, if you have a question about your US visa application, please write to support. So if you have a question, guys, they have an email here. You can send them an email. Okay, they will reply to your email. Okay, so basically they didn't resume visa services yet. As you can see here, they say they remain unable to resume routine immigrant and non-immigrant visa at this time. Okay, and they will resume as soon as possible. So unfortunately, Haiti, the US Embassy in Port-au-Prince didn't resume visa services yet. Okay, so let's check another country, the last country, which is gonna be, let me see, let's do Ethiopia. Again, let's see what's going on in Ethiopia. Ethiopia, U.S. Embassy in Addis Ababa. Let's check that one. Click on visas. And then from here, I'm gonna click on immigrant visas and see what's going on as far as immigrant visas. So for immigrant visas, it looks like they resume visa services. Yes, guys, if you're in Ethiopia, man, please don't call the U.S. Embassy and see if they resume visa services, because there is nothing here indicates that they still suspended the visa services. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody who might benefit from this video, share with that person. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to be notified every time I have a new video, just hit the bell. If you'll be watching my video, you never subscribe, you are new here, you want to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button or hit my picture over here. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.